Hey guys, today's Tuesday and we're doing our Blu-ray update of the week. Today we're going to talk about Despicable Me. This one is the 3-disc version, Blu-ray, DVD, digital copy. Also, if you're interested about the 4-disc combo with the Blu-ray 3D, that's $10 more expensive. That's about $32 to $35. I got this one from Walmart. It's slightly cheaper, it's $2 cheaper than Amazon, and includes an inflatable minion. Let me show you inside what it looks like. So here's the case, and it's a 3-disc, and came the way I like it, the way it's supposed to be every time. A case for just 2 discs and the digital copy on the side, because once you use this, it's garbage. Well, it's pretty basic. There is no back design, and the discs remind me of the good old times of the DVD when they were first released. They used to be just like printed in the disc. But that's what it looks like inside. Let me show you the back. I think up close is much better. Let me show you up close. And as part of the bonus, they have 3 brand new short stories of the Minions. If you haven't seen the movie, check it out. It's really funny, and the Minions steal the show. So obviously Steve Carell does a phenomenal job here, but the Minions, you're gonna fall in love with these guys. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching my videos once again, and don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you next time.